dear students. A warm welcome to you all. Myself Lakshmi. I am newly appointed science teacher in your school and I have 4 years teaching experience. So I am taking science class for you people. Today let us start our discussion with the first chapter, crop production and management under the class 8. In the class 8, in the science, we are discussing the first chapter, that is crop production and management. So dear students, before knowing how the production is and management is done, first we should know about some of the important things such as food. Okay? Food. Every human being or every living organism, they consume the food. Why they consume the food? They consume the food to get an energy. Why they consume the food? They consume the food to get an energy. So the energy is utilized to perform the various activities, right? So you are observing this class today by sitting somewhere else in the home and you are watching the video. For sitting also you need some energy, right? Okay? Not only that, there are many of the activities which are taking place in our body after consuming the food. Digestion takes place, respiration takes place, excretion takes place. All these activities are done with the help of energy that is utilized by the body in the form of food. Understood? So, we are performing the respiration, excretion, digestion. Okay, these are all performed activities inside our body by using that energy. That energy is given by the food. Okay, the food we are consuming in the form of crops, right? Crops. These crops includes the pulses, grains, millets. Okay, so these are known as crops. But we have to define a particular definition for it. We have a particular definition for that. I will tell you now. So this is an introduction regarding the crops. Okay, so food will give the energy. That energy is used to perform the activities. Okay, the food we consume is in the form of crops or vegetables. This crops includes the pulses, grains, millets, etc. Okay. Now we shall have the definition for the crop. What is the definition for the crop? Let us discuss now. Yes, crop. What do you mean by a crop? Definition for the crop is when a plant of the same kind or one kind are grown and cultivated on a large scale is known as crop. Shall we read the definition for the crop? When a plant of same kind, when a plant of same kind are grown and cultivated on a large scale. Large scale in the sense large area. Okay, is known as or are known as crops. Are known as crops. Understood, dear students? What is the definition for the crop? Crop. What do you mean by crop? When a plant of the same kind. For example, in your surrounding area, nowadays it's a rainy season, it's a growing season, right? So in the Sirigere itself, okay, in your surrounding village itself, so many, yes, maize crops are growing now. A large area contains a similar kind of the plants. Say example, maize or wheat or maize. Okay, so when a similar kind, all large area contains only one kind of the crops. So those are known as, it is referred as crop. Understood? Yes. So when a plant of the same kind are grown and cultivated on a large scale. large scale greenhouse crops. Okay. So now we shall discuss more about the crops, the different types of crops we will discuss. So our India is a vast country, right? So I think people are remember the one thing. Basically, crops are divided based on the seasons. Based on the seasons, crops are divided into many types, right? Okay, because our India is a vast country, the climate like the temperature, humidity, rainfall is different from one place to another place. For example, the rainfall in Chitradurga is varied from Shivamogga. Shivamogga getting a very heavy rainfall is compared to the Chitradurga, right? So like though, the rainfall is different from one place to another place. Not only rainfall, humidity, temperature, everything is matter for the crop production. Okay. So basically, based on the seasons, we have two types of crops. Okay, we have two types of crops. They are Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops and Rabi crops. What do you mean by the Kharif crop? What do you mean by the Rabi crop? What is the example for that? Let us discuss now. Kharif crops means the crops which are cultivated during the season. Which season? Rainy season. The crops which are cultivated during the rainy season are known as Kharif crops or Kharif crops. Okay, the crops which are cultivated during the rainy season are known as Kharif crops. Which are an example, and usually in which months it will be cultivated? Usually the rainy season. Usually during the rainy season, that is June to September. This is known as the rainy season. During this season, these plants are cultivated. What do you mean by Kharif plants? They are grown during the rainy season. Examples. Ma'am, this is the example for the Kharif plants in our period. So example of the Kharif are cotton, maize. Now it's the best season to grow the maize crops. You are seeing in our surroundings, right? Maize, paddy, okay, groundnut. So these are some of the crops which are grown during the rainy season. They are known as the Kharif crops. Next, Rabi crops. So rainy season. During winter season. So during the winter season, the Rabi crops were grown, especially during the it is in between March. Okay, so in between the March season, so these crops are grown in the Rabi crops. Okay, so the Rabi crops were grown in the especially in the March season. Okay, so these are called as Rabi crops, especially during the winter season they will grow. Example for this one are wheat. Okay, next which one? Mustard, wheat, mustard, pea. These are the plants which are grown in the winter season. They are referred as Rabi crops. In between these two, some of the crops which are grown in the summer seasons also. Majorly we have two groups, Kharif plants and Rabi crops. Kharif plants and Rabi crops. Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops means the crops which are grown during the rainy season, and the crops which are grown in the winter season, they are known as Rabi crops. Understood? So here is usually they are grown in the June to September. These are grown in the March. In the month of March they will grow. So example for this one: cotton, maize, paddy, groundnut, okay, and wheat, maize, and all these things. Okay. So these are all known as the growing. So this was usually we will do in the agricultural. So we will grow in the agricultural fields. All these crops are grown in the agricultural. So these are together. These are all the agricultural practices. Okay, understand? So in the today's session, we have discussed about what? We have discussed about the definition of crop. So types of crops we have discussed. Okay, and the importance of food. So dear students, in the next session, let us discuss about some of the practices are there to cultivate the crops. Okay, we have discussed about the crops and types of crops and the importance of the crops. Okay, in the next session, let us discuss about there are some of the particular steps are there to the production of the crops. Okay, so production of the crops is very necessary because the need of the food is very necessary because crores together, human beings are there and organisms are there, living organisms. To fulfill the need of food, crop production is very important. So in that crop production, basically some of the steps are there. So in the next session, let us discuss about the steps involved in the crop production. Okay, thank you.